To go to the field view, you have to double-click on the field name. The field view gives you the listing of all the wells within your field, and the data will be grouped based on well type. For example, in here we have the data grouped in 3 different categories: ESP Axiom 1, SRP OptiLynx POC, and ESP based on the SPOC. The first icon represents the current status of that well. The second icon represents a communication report, which shows the communication performance for that well. The third one will take you to the well itself, and if you want to navigate back, you can do so thanks to navigation hierarchy in here. What you see here are columns that are defaulted for each type, and they can be customized. For example, you can click here to see which data is being displayed in this view and disable or enable them according to your preferences. You can also sort the data based on a specific column by clicking on Sort Ascending or Descending. All these are active components, so if I click on the frequency, it will show me the frequency chart. And you can download the data as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or Excel. It is important to remember that the data displayed is context sensitive, so if I click on motor current, you will find the data displayed differently on an amp chart for the last week or the last 24 hours. Again, the data is downloadable in different formats here. If you want to add a well to your favorite view, you can click on this star. Now, if I click on My Assets, you will see that the well was added. And if you want to remove it, just click again on the star. On the top here, there is 2 icons. They allow you to download the data as a PDF or Excel. Here you have the field view, reports, and uptime report. By clicking on the report, the user can create a report for all the wells within that field. You can add a report by clicking here. There are several types of reports to select: summary, uptime, fault, and status. You can also choose a name for it, and the resolution to average the data based on the interval. If you select none, there will be no averaging of the data. You can select the output type, Excel or PDF, and you can select the period of the report and the time when the report will be triggered. At 8 o'clock in the morning, for example. Then, once I click on Done, I will be able to select who I send this report to and which well is included in this report, and what tags are included also. These are all the tags I can select summary status for. I'm going to select the X-axis vibration, my temperature, and my temperature sensor, and I'm going to select here all the wells within my field. And now, by clicking here and selecting Every Day, I will be able to trigger the report every morning at 8 o'clock. Finally, I will select who do I want to send it to. By default, it will email it to the specific user that created the report, but you can specify other users as well. Once you are finished, you have to click on Save. Now, once the report is set, you can go to Subscription, and you will see the report I subscribed for right here. To unsubscribe, you can click here.